Oh, anyway, give me a tiny bit to set up. Okay. Just look at this. Yeah, using Cheat Engine 6.4. If you find this, you can then replace the variable. Of course, it is arrays. So if we get it out here now, oh, so sorry about that. My recording software just froze. Okay, it looks like it's okay now. But if we go new scan, just get rid of all that crap. But this is for money. This one down here for lives. Yeah. But of course they're both static, so that means you're gonna have completely different addresses here. But who knows? Who knows? No one knows. Absolutely no one knows. But anyway, it is array of bytes. Find this variable and then change it with this variable. All of this will be in the description, don't worry about it. You don't have to completely write it up. And these ones. Money cheat, we can go online. Since it's client based, you're completely undetectable. Get rid of that. Minimize that. Do you have anything else I wanted to open? Nope. Okay, let's begin playing them. I'll just minimize that. Oh, wow, if I minimize it, it doesn't work. Okay. No, not always on top. There we go. So now, I've just been grinding a bit. Playing on my own a load. Build a super monkey lair. There we go. Let's go online. No, because that just has a greater chance of lag. Most people I play with just disconnect because they see the hacks. But as you can see, kind of been grinding a lot. But also there'll be a program in the description that I suggest you getting if you want to use the hacks and just grind a load on Bloons Monkey Tower Defense. But of course, what you do is your own personal opinion. Just play completely at medium. Let's just do reverse as well as easy. Now, first wave, we should see my lives completely over the roof. And then we should also see, in the second wave, my money completely over the roof. So as you can see here, my lives, get rid of that. My lives up here, completely over the roof. Now, let's just play this. By the way, the program won't do that. It's just something I made for myself, to where every 10 seconds it will double tap space. And of course everyone knows space is the hotkey for the go button. As you can see here. Look at all this cash. Look, my cursor's in the center. Keep it there. It starts. Lovely program it is. Straight off the bat we can get Monkey Temple. Upgrade Monkey Temple load. But of course it's lagging just because I'm recording. There, got a Monkey Temple. Now, just add a few of these guys. Wow. I'm actually not used to it doing that. Why is it not doing that? My lagging so hard that it just says, screw it, he's still holding shit. I probably can't fit one in there. Nah. Do this. Just get some lovely upgrades. Now I'll go for achievement that I'm trying to get. So yeah, this is just a small little video on like on hacking and all that. Very small one, using cheat engine, completely undetectable. Gotta get this up and then just leave it. Now just leave it. Let it Tesla some shiz. Although it most likely won't. So yeah. I suggest you go and get auto hotkey. I will also be making a very small tutorial because I don't know much about it. But I will be making a small tutorial on how to use it, how to program a few things. That would be cool. Generally just a few odd things that you can do with it. So right now I just have it on a loop to where every 10 seconds it will do certain things, so just wait a bit. Oh, my counting's off. Ah, there we go. Just double tap space. So, now I think that would do the video. I've already showed you how to do it. 6 minutes long of me just rambling about a load of crap. So, yeah. I hope you liked this completely useless video. Yeah. And goodbye. Do you know what? Just click end. There. See you guys later.